Today I'm going to be checking the fuel pressure on my Hummer H3. I'm using a fuel pressure test kit from my local auto parts store. Let's get to it. I'm going to throw some gloves on so my hands don't smell like gas. And first off, I'm locating the fuel pressure check valve, which is right under this black cap here. Being careful not to touch anything that's hot. And I'll screw the gauge right onto that valve. So I've got the tester here running over to this fuel line. And then I've got a little fuel can connected to the pressure release hose. I'll drain all the pressure out of the rail right now. Alright, and I'm popping off my little cover thing here so I can run the fuel pressure gauge hose with my hood shut so I can drive around with this tester on. Well, this might look like some Walmart parking lot type of shit, and I assure you, it is. Turning the key to the on position. Now that I've seen the fuel pressure range, I'm gonna go ahead and drive around, and I'll see if I notice weird fluctuations in fuel pressure. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our Patreon page if you want to play a bigger role in developing more H3 content. See you next time.